If you're watching this, you're probably ready to stop just thinking about selling on Amazon and actually do it. Maybe you've been hearing about Helium 10 and wondering how to use it to launch your first product. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, from how to get set up with Amazon to finding a product and creating your listing to actually launching that thing into the world. I'll show you how to use Helium 10 along with the way to make smarter, faster decisions. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, real quick before we jump in, if you do want to follow along, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started with Helium 10. If you click the link down below in the description, you can go ahead and get 20% off for 6 months when you use code EcomMastery20, or you can get 10% off every month when you use code EcomMastery10. So don't forget to use those codes and click the links down in the description so you can follow along. Now, before anything else, you need to create a seller account. So just head over to sell.amazon.com and hit the sign up button to follow the steps to register. You can either choose to sell as a professional, which costs $39.99 per month, or you can sign up for an individual account, which is free, but you'll get charged 99 cents for every item that you sell. So if you plan on selling more than 40 items per month, then you're better off getting signed up with the professional account. Now, once you go ahead and follow those instructions and you're inside, you'll land on the Seller Central dashboard. Now, this is where all the magic happens. Managing your products, tracking orders, creating listings, you name it. Step 2, you need to choose your selling method, FBM versus FBA. So when you're setting up your first listing, Amazon's going to ask how you want to fulfill your orders. And here are your two main options. First is fulfilled by merchant, or FBM. That means you handle shipping. So someone buys your product, Amazon notifies you, and you're responsible for packing it and sending it off. It's simple but not scalable. Then there's fulfilled by Amazon, or FBA. With FBA, you send your inventory to Amazon's warehouse. When someone orders your product, Amazon ships it out for you, handles returns, and even does customer service. Now, if you want your product to be Prime eligible and scale quickly, then go with FBA. That's what most successful sellers use. Step 3, do smart product research with Helium 10. All right, now for the fun part. So you need a product that people actually want to buy, but you don't want to compete with thousands of big brands that already dominate the space. That's where Helium 10 comes in, using Black Box to find opportunities. So inside Helium 10, the first tool that you'll want to use is Black Box. This thing searches through millions of Amazon listings and shows you products that match your filters. Inside the Black Box tool, here's what to set. So to go ahead and navigate there, we'll come up here to Tools, and we'll go ahead and click on Black Box to get started. So when you're doing your research, what you want to set things to is a price range somewhere between $20 and $70 is a sweet spot. For the review count, you want to keep it under 500 for low competition. For monthly revenue, aim for somewhere between $4,000 and $16,000. For rating, try products under 4.3 stars. So that way there's more room for you to stand out. So this helps you find products that are in demand but still have space for new sellers. So we'll come over here, we'll set this to Amazon, and here you can go ahead and select a category. So for this, we'll go ahead and select home and kitchen. Maybe we'll click on kitchen and dining. Then it say that needs some improvement, where competition is, we'll click on medium, and I want to sell my product for, we'll select the $30 to $100 range with a monthly revenue somewhere between, we'll go 10,000 plus, and we'll go ahead and click on search. Now here, if we go to edit filters, we can come in here and change this review count. So right now it's set for somewhere between 200 and 500. Let's go ahead and just set it to the maximum of 500, and we'll leave the minimum blank. For review rating, it automatically sets it to 3.8. You could maybe kick that up to 4.3 like we talked about, but I'm going to leave it here for now. And there's some other filters that you can go ahead and select, but for now, I'm just going to click apply filters on those filters that we set. So now we can go ahead and see some winning products here. So you'll have the actual product over here on the left-hand side with all of its information. It'll say whether it's FBA or FBM. So it's either fulfilled by merchant or fulfilled by Amazon to give you a good feel for what each of these sellers are doing. So what you'd want to do is come in here and look for parent level revenue to be somewhere in the range that you want to be, and reviews maybe somewhere a bit lower than where you would like yours to be, so that there are room for improvements. So that's just one tool to help you figure out your winning product for Amazon. Get niche ideas with keyword filters. So you can also use black box keywords to find niches by looking at what people are actually searching. What you want to do is look for long tail keywords, which is 3 or more words that get 500 to 4,000 searches per month. For example, instead of tea, look for something like ginger lemon tea for immune support. That's going to be gold. So for example, we could come over here and instead of looking at products, we could come over to keywords. So if we go ahead and just select the category and leave everything else blank, we can go ahead and start looking at some keywords that are doing well. Step 4, validate the product with X-Ray and Cerebro. So once you find a product idea, head over to Amazon and use the Helium 10 Chrome extension. If you don't already have the Helium 10 Chrome extension, just go ahead and Google Helium 10 Chrome extension and get it installed into Chrome using the Google Play Store. So from here, we're just going to click the X-Ray tool on any search results page. You'll instantly see how much revenue the top listings are doing, how many reviews they have, their pricing, sales volume, and more. So this helps you avoid products that look good on the surface, but are way too competitive under the hood. So let's come back here to products and find a product that we can go look at on Amazon. We'll come back down to home and kitchen and we'll select kitchen and dining. That needs some medium price range, 30 to 100 and 10,000 plus search. And we'll just go ahead and click on this first product here. Now here on the specific product page, we're gonna go ahead and see some of this X-Ray tool in action here. So if we go ahead and click on show full details, we can see a lot more information about this specific product and seller. So we can see the FBA fee is $16.48 and they're selling it for $39.99. We can see their sales over the last 3 months. We can see their price as well as their ratings and reviews. So if we go ahead and type in seat cushion chair and we'll go ahead and search for that on Amazon. Then here we can go ahead and see the X-Ray details for this search term. Now here we go ahead and click on show more and click on show full summary. So here we can see like 30-day revenue in this search term, 30-day units sold. There was 54,000 sold, the average BSR, the average price, the average rating, as well as a ton more information here. So this is a good way to go ahead and validate a product that you have your eye on. Next, we'll go ahead and use Cerebro to reverse search the top products. So this tells you exactly which keywords they're ranking for and then where you can sneak in. So let's go back to that seat cushion and we'll go ahead and copy the ASIN, come here to Cerebro, paste it in and get the keywords. Then we scroll down here and we go ahead and see these keywords. So here's all the keywords that this product is ranking for. And there's a total of 2,566. We can see which ones are organic, which ones are paid, and then there are Amazon recommended as well. So this is a good way to come in here, see how well these keywords are doing for this specific product and go ahead and apply that information to your own product. Step 5, create your Amazon listing. So now that you've picked your product, it's time to build the listing that customers are actually going to see. So from the Seller Central, just go to catalog, add products, choose I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. Start with a blank form, choose the right category, type in your product type and find the most accurate category. Now this matters because you want your product to show up in the right places. Quick little bonus tip, check where your competitors are categorized and then match them. You need to create a killer product title. So your product title is super important. It tells both Amazon and your customers what your product is. You can use Helium 10's magnet tool to find the top keywords that people are searching for. Put the most important ones near the beginning of your title. You want to make sure to keep it clear and keyword rich, but don't just stuff in random words. Step 6, write bullet points that sell. So Amazon gives you 5 bullet points. Each one should highlight a benefit, not just a feature. So here's a simple formula. Start with a strong benefit. Mention 1 or 2 features, sprinkle in a relevant keyword. For example, berberine tea that works. Our herbal tea blend is packed with natural antioxidants to support energy, immune function, and balance blood sugar. And then just repeat that for each bullet. Save the last one for something like 100% money back guarantee to go ahead and ease buyers' doubts. Step 7, craft a compelling product description. This is your chance to tell a story. Use the description to reinforce the benefits of your product and how it fits into someone's life. Now also make sure that you naturally include more keywords that you couldn't fit into your title or bullet points. Step 8, add images that actually convert. So your main image is the first thing that people see in search results. It has to stand out. So here's a few quick tips. Make the packaging pop. Contrast a white background. Add bold labels or benefits right on the product if possible. Show the product in use, like lifestyle photos. Include a chart or graphic comparing you to competitors. And use all available image slots. Give people zero doubt, so don't skip this. Even a great product won't sell with bad images. Step 9, choose your price. So a good rule of thumb is to price your products at least 3 times your cost. That gives you enough margin to cover Amazon fees, ads, and profit. Also, don't feel like you have to be the cheapest. Many buyers equate price with quality. If you're offering a premium product, then price it like one. Step 10, set your launch strategy. Here's what a lot of new sellers mess up. They publish a listing right away, then wonder why no one is buying. Instead, go to all attributes in your listing and set a future offer start date. This gives you time to prepare your launch. When that date hits, send an email to your list. Tell your friends and family. Run a small PPC campaign. Drive as much traffic as possible. You see, Amazon rewards early sales by pushing you up in the rankings. Step 11, send inventory to Amazon. If you're using FBA, then go to Inventory, Manage Inventory, Send/Replenish Inventory. Here's what you'll need to do. Enter your ship from address, create a box template, how many units per case, dimensions, weight, etc. Decide who's labeling the product, either you or Amazon. Print the labels and pack your boxes. Then choose a shipping option. UPS is often the cheapest via Amazon. Track your shipment. It can take a couple of weeks for Amazon to check everything in, so plan ahead for this. Step 12, optimize your listing with Scribbles. So back in Helium 10, you can go ahead and use the Scribbles tool to make sure that all your top keywords are in your listing. Just paste in your title, bullet points, and description. Scribbles will show you what keywords you have hit and what you're missing. This is how you make sure that your listing is fully optimized before launch. So let's go ahead and take this example and paste it into Scribbles. So we'll go ahead and copy the title, paste that in there. We'll copy bullet point 1, bullet point 2, and once we have all of that in there, we'll go ahead and click Learn. Step 13, launch ads with your keyword list. Now, remember all those keywords that we found in Cerebro earlier? What you want to do is drop them into a manual PPC campaign inside Amazon ads. This gets your listing in front of the right people from day one. You don't have to spend a ton, just enough to get data and kickstart your momentum. Step 14, start collecting reviews. So after launch, you'll want to build up reviews fast. And one of the easiest ways is using Helium 10's follow-up tool. What it does is it automatically sends a review request to customers after they receive the product. It's simple, automatic, and effective. Just turn it on and let it run in the background. Wrapping up, you're ready to launch. So launching your first Amazon product is a big deal. It can feel overwhelming at first, but if you follow the steps, use the right tools like Helium 10, and take your time to do it right, you'll be way ahead of most people. Now, this isn't about overnight success. It's about building something real, one smart decision at a time. Now, if you want to get started with Helium 10, you'll find links for them down in the description below. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. So again, if you want to get started with Helium 10, we'll have those links for you down in the description below. We can get 20% off 6 months when you use code EcomMastery20, and you can get 10% off every month when you use code EcomMastery10. So go ahead and choose whichever one sounds like a better deal to you and get started with Helium 10 today. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.